What up? What up? What up? Boom, 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 boom. Yo, what up, Jay Fiska? I'm handling your email in 2 seconds. Yo, Jay Styles, let's get it. Yo, there may be some free longs. I'll tell you what, we come down and bounce here. You have the 200 plus. You're at 500. I mean, looks pretty good. Looks pretty tasty to me. Looks really, really tasty to me. Oh, I'm just waiting. Just patiently waiting. Come on down, baby. It looks too good that I feel like they're going to sell through it. How's that sound? It just looks too much like a layup. Every time it looks too much like a layup, it always is. What's up, Yan? I'm just waiting. This thing looks like it's going to come down here. Come on. You can do it, baby. You can do it. Let's go. Am I looking for a bounce or a bigger sell-off? I'm looking for a bounce off of the 200 moving average, which also coincides with 21,500. Seems like there'd be good enough support right there to warrant some type of bounce. So that's what I'm looking for. We're kind of sold off on the one already. I also flipped one of these. Oh, this account was red before by like $700, and I flipped it green. I know, Folly. Believe me. Believe me, I feel like they're going to get me. I'm going to get got. What's up, Paul? What's up? Welcome to the stream. I'm just waiting. What am I waiting for here? Let's go. I am sitting here waiting. I actually have quite a bit of orders waiting for it too. Good afternoon, Dora. What's going on? How's trading been? This looks like the high of day is in. Just kind of seems like it's just waiting. Oh man. Anybody do anything big during lunch? We broke out last I was here when the other stream stopped. I played this long for a little bit and then we've just been chopping around. I got a payout locked in. I'll request after hours today. Yo, what up, Flip? Payout locked in for today. I got to do a serious back test actually tonight. I want to back test. I want to back test this script with some extra rules in place for no large drawdowns and see kind of what happens. Done for the day. Yeah, or just wait for a good setup. You know, no need to push it. Just wait for a good setup.
Order rejected.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I thought I just did this in a funded account. Okay, I thought I just did this in a funded account. Yeah, I thought I accidentally just bought 5 minis in a funded account. Kind of just fucked up my whole. I like it long. I'm just, this whole thing just fucked me up, to be honest with you. So stupid. So stupid. I was just in it and I thought I bought in a funded account and then I saw 5 minis and then I didn't know what the fuck was going on. I like this long though. I just, cool. It's that's the hard part about using so many accounts. When you have so many accounts, you easily forget if you're in a funded account, evals. Well, that sucks. Fucking missed out on this one. Honestly, I would have gotten 10 points. I would have probably been out. Would have gotten $200 in a funded account. So I would be out right around here. Why I like this was, man, it looked like it was going to be closing above the 34, up, down, and then break back over this candle. Just in the wrong account. Hourly pivot points at 495. Definitely put these pivots. So the hourly pivot points are different than the minute and 5-minute ones. You could see yesterday how we basically ran right at this pivot point and bounced. You should definitely keep these on your chart and look at different time frames. Just didn't get filled. I mean, the real play was it to come further down. It just never got there. I got a lot of orders that I got to cancel. I really thought it would get here. That sucks. I mean, it is what it is, but doesn't mean I have to like it. It was freaking right there. Right there for the taking. Jeez. Oh, man. I got coffee today. I'm drinking my first coffee in like weeks. Weeks. The chop is real. You got heart palps? No, I just gave up coffee. I was getting, so what was weird was every once in a while I was getting acid reflux from coffee because I was drinking so much of it. But I was also, because I'm in New York, we eat a lot of Italian food, and every time I was eating red tomato sauce, I was getting acid reflux. So I just gave up both coffee and red tomato sauce to see what happens, and I was perfectly fine, like no issues. Like I thought it could have been spicy food, it wasn't. I ate spicy food yesterday, nothing happened. I ate spicy food a couple days before that, nothing happened. So it's just kind of been coffee, and then I narrowed it down to coffee or red sauce, and then I had coffee a couple times and nothing happened. So it's really just yeah. So I fasted for like over 24 hours. That kind of reset it. I did a bunch of things, but somebody I know is like, yo, just get on medicine. Go to the doctor and get on medicine. I was like, bro, I don't want to get on medicine where I'm on medicine the rest of my life. Like, that's not what I'm looking for. Yeah, dude, I'll be honest with you, it's gone. Yeah, onions or garlic. It's all gone now. I am perfectly fine. J to the J futures trading. Hey man, I got a small channel I'm doing. I got funded and a blown in 3 days due to a mistake. So do you have a good suggestion for a firm? I was take private trader but hate activation fees. Are you getting payouts, J Futures? If you're not getting payouts, I would go with like a small, an inexpensive upfront firm like Apex. If you're getting payouts once in a while, I would go with my funded futures. You know, my funded futures has no activation fee, and I actually took a photo of this yesterday. Let me see if I can find it for you. Was it yesterday or the day before? They're like 40% off. Somebody said it was only, Keith was saying that it only worked. There you go. It's 20% off starter pluses, 50K starter pluses. So the starter plus is the same price as basically the starter. And if you're new to my funded futures, I think it's 40% off. Yeah. If you use Plaid, you can save more money. So you pay by bank and use Plaid. Dude, I wish you the best of luck. First time on the channel. Welcome to the channel. You know, welcome to the channel. If you got questions, I could probably help you out. Yeah, I've gotten payouts with my funded futures this month. Yep. I gotten payouts with them this month. I've gotten payouts with Topstep this month, and I just submitted for Apex yesterday for a payout, and I'm submitting for another payout today after hours, and tomorrow I'm going to submit a third payout with Apex for tomorrow. So this week I'll have 3 payouts with Apex. I may not be the best guy in the trading space, but I'll tell you what, I will stop everything and help you out. That I can tell you. I'll stop my own trading to help you out, which I've done. Yeah, man, appreciate it, dude. Appreciate it. Yeah, Sean, you know, that's what I tell everybody. I'm not the best trader in the world, but I will help you out. I'm going to do a monthly follow-up on everything. I feel like I am one of the most honest ones. That's kind of what I wanted to do when I started this thing. I'm just trying to ride the momentum here. This is not a funded trade, by the way. I'm just trying to ride this momentum. I have a feeling they're going to try testing like 83. But I wouldn't trade this in a funded account by any means. Yo, and what are the odds that we're best friends, Sean? That just goes to show you, I feel like, what type of people we are and why we get along so well. Dude, that kid didn't sleep either. He was texting me at like 10:30. I was like, bro, I watched your stream until like 7, and then you're up still. I was like, this guy's got no sleep. Dude, there's a lot of fakers out there. Lot of fakers. You have no idea, man. Especially when you go on Twitter. Dude, if I go to Texas, I will definitely let you know. And dude, I will eat the fuck out of some barbecue. I want it to pump. I definitely want it to pump. I would say that they're going to probably like probably 583 would be the, as ICT guys call it, the draw, or where you think it's going to probably go. This is the one thing I don't like. I was looking at this on my other screen. This is going to be a rough spot to get through. I might take it off right here, actually. Just break through it. Just break through it for me. I'm going to move my stop up right here, though, because if it doesn't break, it's going to reject really fucking hard. At least I'll minimize my my risk here. It's either going to go, but yeah, see. I was looking at this on my other screen. It's basically top of a fair value gap. I don't know. I mean, they call it premium. I don't know. I guess they calculate it, but it definitely holds up a lot as a place of resistance. But if you can get through, they would just let it fly. There's not much between here and basically the high of day. You're short. I'm trying to figure out how, why, or when I got short, but here I am. Yo, what up, Cody? Yeah, I don't know why you would get short here. It looked good earlier. They had every opportunity to break it down right over here, and they just the Bears had no balls, man. No balls. I would have thought for sure they would have ripped it down. Hey, man, it ended up going for you guys. Awesome. Whoever stayed in, congrats. Congrats. I got to tidy up some of these indicators. Some of them I think are wrong. Like this one is showing wrong. I got to figure out. I need a good indicator for previous day high low, previous week high low, previous month high low. That's what I need. You can always DCA. The slow grind kills you. Yeah. I was honestly looking at stocks to start adding. I wrote puts, just for anybody who's following me. I wrote puts on Google, HIMS, SoFi, and Tesla. I did it all today. SoFi and Tesla are this week. Google is next week, and HIMS is next week. I might roll. Oh, the reason I did Google next week is because they have earnings next week. So that's why I did next week. I'm looking to get some Google juice. Some Google juice, baby. It's come to this DeepSeek thing isn't really going to drop the market, I don't think. The more I keep reading about it, the more I don't think it's going to drop the market. I think yesterday was the pullback, and everything I keep reading about it is just telling me anybody that's in, I got day one funded account, $200. This will be a funded account tomorrow. And this one's $100 away from a funded account. I just need to the consistency rule. Starting to move this bad boy back up. Locked in a payout. Tomorrow I'll request another payout. Oh, I got to trade this account, actually. I got to make one trade in this account just to get a trading day in. I'm just going to flip a contract. So don't look at me getting in a funded account and be like, oh, he's in. No, I'm just going to flip a contract real quick before I forget. I'm just deciding if I want to flip it long or short. I feel like short, they'll probably pull it back. Let's just see. I'm going to stop. Whatever. 68 bucks. I needed to flip one. So I just get the trading day locked in so I can then just pull out money. I can pull out money tomorrow. That's all that was for me to pull out money. I started. Yo, what up, Andy? Yo, Andy, how's those scripts treating you, by the way? Which ones you using now? The bots. How are the bots treating you? I am going to turn one of these accounts Skyfire ATM 2.04 and grind out micros. You just exit manually, right? You let it enter and still exit manually. Damn, you copy trade all 11 PAs at once with it? That's ballsy. I like it. So what's interesting is I heard X is adding some type of payments on their platform, and it might be adding Venmo, which is interesting. I think PayPal owns Venmo, which would be very interesting. That's what I heard. Oh, one at a time? Jeez. There you go. This was the original target right here. Hit. Should have just fucking held. Now you're getting like a blow off. Is this candle going to reach 600? We going to reach 600 or not? Probably not. Come back down. Grind and grind. Once I hit above 200, I go, yeah, that's smart. Cove, you said you have an FFL, right? Yes, I do. Sure. Put it out there. What do you have a question about? Actually, the old 3-letter agency was just at my shop. They came back today, and they were at my shop last week for 2 days. For the random stop by. They came Monday, Tuesday, and they came back today. I can help you out, though. I don't know everything, because obviously you fucking see me here every day, so I don't. Yeah, you can message me on Discord. Sure thing, dude. For you guys that are starting out your trading journey, I'm just going to give you a little insight. When you make profits, you should be moving those profits into either like a stock account where you can write options to collect premium. Worst case scenario, you get put to stock, or you collect enough profits to then invest in other things that are not in the market. Just throwing it out there. That's how I've always moved my money around. It made money in the market, put that money to use other places. Made money in the market, did some other things with it. Yeah, I have to really review that, Andy. I'm leaving to go to Mexico on Thursday, so I haven't had much time. I downloaded the spreadsheet. That I can tell you. I definitely downloaded. Who used to stop by you, Brad? OSHA? I've had OSHA come for the manufacturing business. Yeah. Would you own a range or a shop or something like that? I'm going to do this in an eval, not a fucking funded account, but I am definitely going to. I'll take a risky short here on that it's not going to break 600. This is not a funded account trade. I'll take that though. I'll take that. Your storefront was my water pump shed. That's interesting. Oh man, might be the last DCA before. Dude, that's a large one, Knob. Yo, I'm just curious. So you make I think I asked you, you make like kitchen knobs, right? Kitchen knobs, or is it doorknobs? I think I asked you one time. Oh, graphic design. That's right. That's right. I thought it was kitchen knobs, and then you told me it was graphic design. Yeah. I wanted to get into making cabinet knobs, but sure, a knob for being a designer. How many micros do you use to short? I just shorted that with 4 minis. And each one I got $70, so 70 times 4. Dude, they're just pumping. I mean, yo, I'm just going to tell you because you guys, if you followed that one back test, you literally caught the bottom today. Not that you would have fucking held, because you'd have the South Park balls if you would have held. But this trade, once the 15 orb is set and you trade above it up, you trade back in a little bit, and then you come back and sweep it and come back through the 15-minute orb, that fucking trade is profitable so many times for large gains. So when we traded down, this candle, when you traded down and when you get away from it, you're away from it by like 10 points. You don't want to just be like 2 points. Like, you get 5, 10 points, you put your buy right here. So on the way back up, you get filled, and I tested with like 15 points, which you get almost all the time. But geez, that was literally the bottom. So sickening. I'm going to start trading these types of trades with my personal account and just hold it with like a 30-point stop loss on like 3 to 5 minis. Yo, what up, Ray? I mean, we just go up. The market only goes up. I'm trying to get an eval that has low cash, to be honest. Let me see. This is like as long as it stays above, as long as it stays above 600, I'm going to probably stay in this trade. This is just an eval. I can't hold, bro. I need to. If I trade my personal account, I'll hold because I'm always worried about the drawdown. So once I have no drawdown being my personal account, I'm perfectly fine with it. There we go. 500 and something bucks in the just working this eval back to get some nice drawdown there. Bro, somebody at my house? Yo, RC TradeX. Hell yeah. Yo, you ain't kidding, man. That's an Amazon guy. I'm watching him on the he just showed up to my house in like an unmarked, like a regular fucking car. Dude, right now I'll be honest with you, there's no great deals. Tradeify is running a halfway decent deal. That's $35 for advanced accounts. That's a good deal. Who else is running like a good freaking deal here? the fuck? The Amazon guy is starting to look like a problem there. Bro, they just show up at my house all the time with unmarked cars. Like, best deal out there is My Funded Futures. Right now, yeah, probably. My Funded Futures is probably the best option. There's no activation fee. And they're giving 20% off with the coupon code. You really can't beat that. Look at this shit. You just had it. It just rides the 9. Just rides the 9. No reason to actually short this until this breaks. Just for everybody that's like, oh, I gotta short it. It's too high. I probably wouldn't short this until it breaks the 9. %. How did the 5-minute engulfing signals look? I did not play them today, but you would have lost on this one. But oh, I talked about this earlier. I wouldn't have taken this one because you would have gotten in at 410 and 400 is support. So I probably wouldn't have taken this one. This one was 428. I might have taken that one thinking it was going to go down to 400. You would have won. This one would have lost. I would have taken, oh no, this is pre-market. I wouldn't have taken that. So that's it. There's a 150 My Funded Futures. I'll just get it out. My Funded Futures is 20% off starter evals, no activation fee. There's no consistency rule on the funded account with the starter pluses. Yeah, that's the deal. And then Tradeify is 35%, as $35. I'll bring it up. Hold on. With my coupon code, it's $35 for these accounts. Basically, they're normally 50, but you can get a 150 that's normally $100 for $35. So here's the drawdown. 1 day to pass. They all have activation fees. I probably, I'm not a huge big account guy, although I do like the Apex 150s. But I'm trying to think of other deals that are out there. Blue Sky has no activation fee. I've never used them. I just had a perfect $3,000 trade on the practice account. It's so easy to hold in practice. So all the intraday drawdowns go away once you pass on the funded accounts. Once you get past the buffer. Once you get past the buffer, there's no more intraday. Oh, Ray, what are you doing? $16? I don't like the intraday. I just found out. Well, this might be the turning point. Let's see what happens here. I haven't gotten any sell notifications, but it does look like if it gives this up. Damn, 16 bucks, dude. How does intraday work? Same as Apex. The drawdown just moves up as the account value moves up. Did you full port for 16 bucks? Yo, I would have been on micros. I'd have been on one micro. I would have closed my eyes, selected a side, and just said, hey, are we going? Watch this. This thing's going to go even higher now. Are they going to pump this thing? Pump it over 24? Longs are free. Yeah. Dude, I found out so many times that just don't go against the trend. I don't go against the trend anymore. I'm not trying to call tops. I only played that one short today because it was at like 600. I played this bar right here. But how stupid is that? Like, there's no confirmation for a sell-off. You know, it just looks like it's going to go up further. Watch, you're going to get one big green candle up, and then the next one, they're going to bring it right back down and suck everybody in. That's how I feel is going to happen. You get a green candle up, and then you're going to get one big one down. It'll be like the breakout everyone chases, and then they just freaking dump it on everybody. Nah, you thought they were end of day? No. Nope. I'm just trying to think. There aren't many like big discount deals out there right now. Like, I'm talking real discounts. I can't think of like, take profit traders 50% off, but they have the activation fee. My funded futures is probably the cheapest one to get a funded account. Yo, I just got a text. Nancy Pelosi sold NVIDIA stock just weeks before they announced the DeepSeek. Unreal. Unreal. Nancy Pelosi selling NVIDIA stock literally weeks before DeepSeek. So fucked up. Dude, Ray, just get one account and just slowly play it, Ray. I want to see you start taking payouts. Let me just fucking, let me. Oh, I'm just looking. I'm just looking. All right, end of day. End of day. Dude, it's $102 an account, right? Right? $102. Bro, Nancy Pelosi coin comes out. I'm going all in. I'm all in. Don't even fucking, yeah. Yo, Blue Sky's 102, right? For an account. It's the same thing as my funded futures, but my funded futures gives you 500 more dollars of drawdown. My funded futures has $2,500 of drawdown. Blue Sky only has 2,000. Other than that, it's the same thing that I'm looking at. Consistency rule is 30%. My funded futures is 40%. No payout restrictions. It says there's a consistency rule on payouts for 30%. Consistency rule is 30%. It says it. I'm looking at the website. 30%. I don't know if it's different somewhere else. I'm not arguing with you. I'm just reading the thing. My funded futures only lets you have 3 funded accounts. Yeah. Are they going to sell this right through fucking? Are they really? That'd be a real douchebag move if they sell it right through 600. Come on, don't be that guy. Don't be that fucking guy, market. Dude, I want to trade you know what I really want to trade? I think they just fucking approved my payout real quick. I think Apex just approved my payout. See how it's 52,100? I gotta see real fast if they approve that shit. Because if they did, I'm gonna take this trade with my fucking with this account. Where the fuck is payouts? Request payout. Approved, bitches! Woo! Let me go. Let me fire this thing up. Yo, Apex just approved my payout. Not big, $512. It was basically this account. I get to 52,600. I take 500 out. That covers all the expenses on the account plus more. And then I basically, I want to see this bounce. And now I just trying to work it back up for another fucking payout. They're not going to bounce this at 600. I suggest everybody do that by, everybody's like, oh, I want the big payout. Bro, just take the first $500 so at least the account is covered and you recoup some of your cost. Listen, what's the difference if I have $52,600 or $52,000? Like, it's worth getting a payout to cover your costs. And then you can go for the bigger payouts. But at least I know I'm already profitable on the account. Damn, these guys, this is fucking, I'm just out on this. I'm just selling it. The only thing I'm still in is an eval. They ain't bouncing this shit. Yo, Chris, what up? What up? I'm finding it easier to use options in my personal account with this volatility. 2 days. Damn, man. Well, first, yeah, that's awesome. What type of options are you playing? Are you playing, are you writing calls? What are you doing? Still in strong. DC crazy to get out. Gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. They about to dump the fuck out of this thing, though. I'm just trying to recoup some of my cashola here. Oh, geez. Okay. Yo, what up, Dr. T? I'm big on selling options, but I will buy occasionally. So you just buy what, QQQ or SPY the night before, and you just pick which way you think you're going to go, and that's how you go about it. I can't believe they didn't fucking bounce us at the 34 at 600. That's wild. That's fucking crazy. That's criminal. It's criminal. Of course they didn't give me the bounce. Of course they wouldn't give me the freaking bounce. Obviously. The fuck? I'm trying to bring the dude, I can't even see the chat. I'm trying to bring up things bugging me out. I can't even see the I don't know what tab I'm on. Things bugging me out. There we go. Yeah. I couldn't freaking. All right, let me scroll up. I don't know if anyone said anything. I used to get out of pattern day trader jail during the 2 days, truth be told. Dude, pattern day trading is the worst. Dude, I'll tell you what, man, buying options, buying it is definitely a hard game. I'm back on the horse chasing a payout. Yo, full port, take your time, man. Take your time. That's all I would say is just take your time and work a payout. Oh, come on. Dude, I'm trying to find something for somebody on my fucking computer and I can't even find it. Oh, where the fuck is this thing? Why is it every time I gotta find something, it's always a freaking nightmare? Always a nightmare. I just need to find this fucking thing. Oh, just. Dude, they're gonna pop this thing again. There we go. Got it. That's all I needed to do. All right, back to the stream. So PA Apex are funded, and Apex is eval is the other. So PA is a funded, yeah. Yeah, PA means it's funded. You're 100% right, but my downfall is not accepting losses. Yeah, dude. You just got to play small and just a lot of small wins become big wins. They set it to 10 contracts. I didn't realize that. I was like, what the fuck? I personally do not play Q calls unless or puts unless I'm protecting my account, to be completely honest. I don't know. I just every time I've tried playing, there's just a huge. Or if I do, I play a butterfly or something where I'm collecting some type of premium with it. Schwab is tricky, but they always Schwab's good. I don't have Schwab. I have E-Trade, but Schwab's good. I never heard anybody complain about Schwab at all. Back over 600. Gonna grind this thing back up. Dude, they're just gonna pop this thing all the way up. I've had Schwab in the past. The one reason why I don't like Schwab, I just like the platform on E-Trade. Hold to 650. This is on you, full port. I just scalped it. I use Fidelity. Yo, Fidelity's expensive. I have a Fidelity retirement account. It's super expensive if you're doing like options and a lot of trading. I don't know why I used Fidelity. I thought about it. I should have held. I was having my gold trade flashbacks. I mean, these accounts are red, but they're bare. Like this is barely red. That's a nothing burger. Yeah, I probably should have got in. I was busy trying to find a copy of my driver's license for somebody for something. Come on. Man, this is some wild action. Dude, I can't trade gold, man. I'm so out on gold. Now you're actually done for the day? Why, did you make more money or you got smoked and now you're done? Hopefully you made some money and you're done. Oh, well, I mean, that's awesome. That's a good place to be. I am trying to figure out what I want to do and what I feel the setup would be. I mean, I'm going to be real. On the 5-minute chart, it looks good. Dude, that gold is just crazy, man. Gold just gets me every time. Every time it gets me. I try trading it during the day, at night. Absolutely gets me. Asia session is the second best from New York. Really? You traded London? I feel like London has better, but I'm not getting up at 3 in the morning for London. A lot of people like London. I barely get up at 8. I mean, if I was in the UK, I would trade London and then New York until noon, and then my day would be done at, I guess that's like 6 o'clock. At noon or probably like 11 o'clock. Be done at 5. Not yeah, it's a 9 to 5. 3 in the morning, London to 11 o'clock, New York, and then I'd be out. I thought I was in an eval, motherfucker. Ooh, I thought I was in an eval. This is not an eval. I'm just gonna take a small L. I like it. I just thought I was in an eval. Yo, 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 what up, Alex? Doing too many things here. Way too many things. How long is it open for? Oh, you're talking about the duck race? I forgot to put a cap on it. I just was busy trading and shit. I forgot. Best thing to do is live on the West Coast. Yes, you have to wake up early, but your training is over at 1. Yeah, I'm with you, but I go to the gym before I trade. So everything is done. So to me, I'm at the gym by 6:45 in the morning. So it's kind of like uh I would then have to go to the gym after hours. So I'm kind of happy it's set up like it is. I think this is just a flag. Come on, pump out of this fucking thing. Pump. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Give me the fucking big ass green candle. Big ass green candle. And let me move my stop up. Come on. Come on. Give daddy it. Oh, it's building. It's building. It wants to fucking go. Go. Push it. Push it at least up to 25. I'm in it. I'm in it. Oh, you motherfucker. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Dude, that's wild. What just happened? Did something just happen? Dude, that was like a prime fucking breakout. They just fucking dumped it. That was crazy. It looked like it was just going to ride the 9 up and they were going to push it back up. Yeah, I bet somebody came in and just fucking teabagged that shit. Some big seller just teabagged it. Just laughed. Bounced right off the 34, though. That was nice. What do you think? You think high a day is in? Think this is the high a day? I'm just going to be dead serious with you guys. In my personal trading account, I have not collected very much money the last week or so. I basically just had like a week of just floating around, which I guess isn't bad because I didn't get caught up in a big fucking dump. But you think you messaged me? Let me see. Is that you asking for feet pics? All right, let's see. First off, I don't understand this. Hold on, I'm trying to get to it. Direct messages. Dude, what's your Discord name? Full port. Full port. What's your Discord name? Oh, I found it. Here's my height. All right, I'm not going to read it out loud. Yo, I just answered you. Yeah, you sent it to the right person. I just answered you. It's obviously not the answer you're probably looking for, but this looks like they're just going to sell it off here. You're getting lower highs, lower highs. What up, Bartolo? You'd want to see them break out of like, you'd want to see them break this. And then this will curl up and you probably get it expansion to the upside. Am I going to buy the breakout? No, I'd probably buy it if it came back down here and got really fucking tight. Oh, geez. Fuck it. Fuck it. YOLO. They're going to stop me out and then push it up. I fucking know it. The 9. 9. I'm just moving my stop up because I got a fucking awful entry. Come on, get over 22 and really expand. They're not gonna. They're gonna stop me out. Yep, fuck it. Knew it. Knew it. They're gonna stop me out and they're gonna turn around and push it back up. I'm gonna be real with you. It's definitely do I have an eval? I do have an eval, right? Let's see. I knew this would happen. Come on, just fucking push it. I'm just looking for a massive push. Why are they holding it? I don't know. It seems like it. seems like it could be. Hold on one second. I got to go open the door for my kids. My kids are getting home from school. Hold on. I'm back. Oh. I ate a quick banana. I knew not to eat a banana on the fucking stream. What the fuck did I just do? What just happened here? Nah, this is looking bad. This is looking real bad. If they bounce it back up here, I might short it with a stop right here. It would only cost me 30 bucks with 3 micros. I might do it anyways. I really want to get filled right here. I restocked the QQQ put for tomorrow. I'm going to buy some cheap calls too. Got some earlier. I could see this just plummeting tomorrow. I'm going to hold this. I'm going to hold this the rest of the day. Yo, I am so hungry. You have no idea. I'm about to eat like 3 burgers right after. But you're gonna need a big move, Chris, right? I think you get a big move. Big earnings are tomorrow, Jawan. Earnings tonight are Stryker Court, Starbucks, Chubb. Tomorrow we have Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla, and IBM. Tomorrow's the big earnings. Big boy. Oh, you have FOMC meeting tomorrow too. Plenty of times, plenty of opportunities to pass or smash tomorrow. Yo, I hope Apex does a sale. I really do. I hope they do a monster sale. Which way would you full port, up or down? I think you have more room to the downside if we start dropping. I think you can get like 100-point move. I just feel like the move to the upside is capped. It just feels that way. You inherit a bloated market, you get one of your frenemies to do something, excuse the floodgates. Yo, FOMC is going to be wild. Joyce, I agree. Definitely a difficult day. I think a lot of the days, anytime you get some chop like this and not a trend day, it's definitely difficult. I want to see this just fucking dump. I'd love to see a big dump. I wonder if they drop it on FOMC and then tech earnings the next day, they just bring it back up. Just bring it back up as if nothing happened. like, oh, hey guys, we're back. Like, all good. We're good here. Dude, if they really bring this down, yeah, 5 minutes out to market on close orders. It should be interesting. Come on. I think 350 gives us a nice little dump. I hope so. I hope so, man. NVIDIA is pumping. I just moved my I'm locking in fucking gains right there. Oh, it looks like I locked in half. Locked in halfsies. Let's see what happens. Right here, I mean, you got the wick test. People testing big wicks, I heard. I'll just keep moving my fucking stop down. Hopefully you guys got fucking paid. 521, 0 days, 0 DTE. What were you playing, options? Josh, that's fucking nice. That's a good hit. Yo, does anybody play 0 DTE options here? Because I was toying with the idea of doing it, throwing like $1,000 in an account and just toying with that as a. Yeah, 0.6. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing it. Throw $1,000 and just play like $200-300 at a clip and see what happens. Yeah. It's not recommended because if you just chop, like say you got in here and chop, theta will kill you. But if you start moving, you can double your money. I bought for the 200 bounce. Dude, that's the dump, man. Ah, like a bitch. Yo, but 400 bucks can turn into 1,200 real fucking quick, Josh. I know how zero DTE works. Dude, you get some big money real quick. You're basically playing for like 80% gainers, though. Like, you're not playing for 10% gain. I mean, you could have got that balance off the 200. I played it with 4 micros because I was just happened to be in this account. What up, Lee? Wow. That was a nice bounce. I mean, to me, we got the move. You got the dump already. You hit the 200 moving average. You got the bounce. Daily loss limit. Where at? Past 3 evals. That's awesome, Matt. Yo, Matt. Yeah, Chris, that's big time. That's big time. You just got to pay attention to the VIX because the VIX is going to tell you how expensive options are. That's your first funded account? Congrats, man. That's right. You told me you passed it the other day, right? Didn't you pass it like yesterday, Lee, or 2 days ago? What up, Donovan? Oh, Claudia, welcome, welcome. Just take your time, Claudia. You will get there. You will definitely get there. They're gonna rip this thing right back up. I'm just looking at my my Robinhood account. You're learning a lot. Well, just keep it going. Oh, baby, they just algoed the shit out of that. Well, if you have questions, Claudia, this is the place to ask. I answer everybody that asks. So if you got questions, I'll be sure to help you out. Dude, they're going to just rip this thing. Dude, I'm requesting a payout today and another one tomorrow. Apex approved my payout today, that I requested yesterday, by the way, which is awesome. I got 2 more requests coming this week. Hopefully, they approve them all. I don't want to hear any Apex BS. Improper risk management. Just pay me. Pay me what you owe me. That Rihanna song. When I trade options, do you only trade a selected few? I mostly sell puts, and it's of companies that I don't mind owning. Hold on. Somebody's at my house real quick. Hold on one second. Jawan, I can go over all that, though. But yeah, so when I trade options, I sell puts. So the worst case scenario, if the stock drops, I have to buy the shares. So it's always of a company that I don't mind owning the shares of. So that's kind of what I'm doing. What up, Fred? They're gonna bring. I don't want to play in this account anymore, to be honest with you. Yo, what up, Joseph? Okay, cool. Where do you find your stocks? That was always my biggest issue. Yeah, I'll go over all that, Jawan. I'll show you though. Yo, you come back from the ashes, Joseph? What are you up today? So, Jawan, I have a list of stocks that I like. Stocks that I've done research on. I like stocks that are growing. I definitely like stocks that are growing. So I want to see quarter over quarter revenue growth. That's one thing. I don't want to see companies that are doing offerings. I'm looking for new things that are coming out. I like growth companies. I like to see that they have tailwind, so they're either in like they're either in a sector that is obviously growing. Nah, so I use TrendSpider a lot to see TrendSpider, Investor Business Daily. Is that a Market Surge? I think Market Surge is the tool. Yeah, I used it. Damn, look at these candles. I was gonna play this right here. I'm not even gonna play that. I don't use FinViz though, but yeah. So I'll bring it on my screen. I'll show you. So Trend Spider, I'm just bringing it up on my monitor. Trend Spider has a lot of different things. You can kind of make your own scanners up. This green is revenue growth quarter over quarter. I want to see this all just green. I have a couple of filters that I made. I personally, you could trade options how I do and not look at the markets more than 5 minutes a day. This filter is showing me stocks that are basically trending up. But see, like I hate Starbucks. You know, so I'll go through this and see what the charts look like. You know, like PayPal PE is definitely low compared to historicals. And then I bring up another one that I look at. So I'll use this. This is a great fucking tool that's free. This will show me revenue trailing 12 months. So you see that trailing 12 months, basically it's just growing. Quarterly is growing on PayPal. And this is year over year quarterly growth. So you can see PayPal is still growing, but yet they're having all this growth, but at the same time, yeah, their stock is up, but it's nowhere near where it was. So the valuation is a great valuation. You know, at one point, this was trading at like 40. You know, now we're trading at 17, 18. Tesla earnings tomorrow. I sold Meta call. I'm guessing you have Meta stock, Joseph, right? Yeah. So if you have stock, I like, if you own stock, I love the idea of selling calls heading into earnings, because you could sell calls that are like 10% out of the money and still collect really good capital. Like, well, I'll just bring it up. It's like Meta has earnings, right? I mean, if you have 100 shares, you can sell like, dude, 10% out is 730. You could collect $600. You could collect $6 a share, no problem, and still get a 10% upside. You could, like you did, you sold 5% upside, plus you got another $15. God forbid they have a bad earnings, at least you collected something. What I like to do is, if I like Meta, I would sell like 620s collect $5. So Meta would have to drop like 10% for me to get put the shares. Yeah, they got earnings tomorrow. I'm not doing it. And the reason I'm not doing it on Meta is because Meta is so freaking high. You know, I would want to see Meta come back down to earth a little bit. Do you like market surge? Yeah, I use the Mark Minervini filter on it when I do. The problem is it's expensive every month. Am I going to take this? It's probably a bad fucking trade, but we'll see. Market surge has a lot of information, Fred. Like, I'm just going to be honest with you. If you're trading with like a $10,000 or $15,000 portfolio, it's not worth it because it's going to cost you almost $200 a month. You know, it's pretty fucking expensive. But if you're trading with like 50 grand, 100 grand, it's probably worth getting. You know, it's you know, the tools that you could buy start eating into your portfolio and your profits pretty easily if you are using expensive tools. I'll be honest with you, Twitter has plenty of information on there. Like, people put out some really great you know, research information on there on Twitter. There's some really good people to follow that do it for free. If you're unprofitable, yeah. You know, I'm just being honest. I try to give you information like the tools can be expensive. Like, I pay for TrendSpider every month, obviously TradingView. I was paying for Market Surge. I actually just stopped it. I'm trying to think what else there is. I mean, you could pay for like Finviz. Like, there's so many tools out there, and it can just really, all of a sudden you look and you're spending $500 a month on tools. I always say, like, if you have, I don't want to say small amount of money, but like, I'm just being honest with you. Like, I would stick to selling puts of companies that you really like and you don't mind owning until you have enough money that you can venture out to other companies.
The markets are closed.
This is probably going to go down. They couldn't bounce this for shit, so it's probably going to sell off. But like, I fucked up, and I'm just going to show you how I fucked up. So I'm still at 11. I'm still up on the month or the year, $10,495. I held this through earnings, which I didn't want to. So that was a loss I shouldn't have taken. These are out to 2026. So I'm stuck holding this for a while. I just made a couple of mistakes that probably cost me about $2,000 or so. I should be up almost 13,000 on the year. That's just an E-Trade. I'm up. I think I'm up about 500 or so in Robinhood. You know, I would love to have an area that we can all talk options and stuff like that. I enjoy it because it's something different than prop firms. Prop firms are, hey, this is the chart, and I play the same shit over and over and over because it's profitable and, you know, it's great. But companies are awesome because there's a new story and it's different, and I've been doing stocks and options so much longer, and I enjoy the difference of seeing things out in public and like knowing things before the market. Like I loved what the fuck? I just fucking drew a blank. Cloudflare. So I love Cloudflare because I used it at work. I knew it was going to be great, and I could have been fucking loading the boat. I've been trading since 2007, Cody. Way before I was trading when all the market gurus were all selling just courses. I traded full time for 3 years as my only source of income. I use the 9 that when we start going, like when we start going for like this, I know I'm not looking to short until we get close below. Yeah, I wasn't trading options 20 years ago, though. I didn't start really trading options until 2017-ish. I was trading stock with a large portfolio, large enough that I was day trading. I was basically day trading stocks a lot with a large portfolio. You know, holding some, I would say, but I also had a good amount of money that, you know, if I made, you could not easily, but, you know, you'd have swings of $1,000 to $2,000 a day because of the amount that I was playing. So did I work on the same trading floor as ICT? Yeah. Me and him were lunch buddies. Grind the 9, baby. My entries are rushed with futures. With options, I'm using what I've learned with trading Topstep since July. Yeah, I mean, you know, if you're following a futures chart but trading options and it's working, stay with that. Do I have portfolio margin? I have access to margin. I have multiple accounts. I have a margin account. I have a cash account. I have retirement accounts. Yeah. I don't lever up in margin where like I can just get fucking destroyed. You know, Cove's my dad. you know, a lot of people use margin and they lever up massively. And a lot of people, where they lose their accounts, portfolio margin, I'm not exactly sure. I have the regular margin on the account. I don't have anything above that. But dudes, where people lose their shirt is they buy calls and they buy using a margin account. And then the next thing you know is you're just getting, your options are going to zero. And that's what I don't want to do. I never want to buy something that can go to zero for the most part. At least I know if I write puts and I'm wrong, I own the stock at a discount, and I'm fine with that. But yeah, I'll show you what I did today. So today I wrote Google puts, earnings next week. I wrote one put. I wrote Hims puts for next week. Wrote these puts. Wrote Tesla puts. SoFi puts expire this week. And as long as SoFi stays above $16, I'll collect another $150. I wrote these before earnings. So the stock dropped on earnings and I'm still up. All right. I got fucking stopped out. I'm done trading for the day. Dude, everyone's just texting me. Let's get the Amazon guy on the stream next week. I wish price moved like this every day. Yeah. Freaking chop, man. You know what I want to get into? I haven't seen what type of margin you need. But I would love to start writing puts on the QQQs for 0 day. For 0 day. You know, because you basically get the theta, and if it moves in your way, they basically go worthless. I don't know if anyone does that in here, but I don't know what the capital requirements are. I've actually never tried, but I wanted to. Oh, dude, I've done that a bunch of times, Baba. Yo, I'll open it up I'll open it up right now for 2 seconds, and then we're gonna run this duck thing. Damn, Baba. All right, you got like I do QQQ 0 day getting killed. Do you trade hacked? Do you sell puts, or are you buying the options? Selling puts in the hole. Oh. Yeah, I'll try it tomorrow. I'll see if I have enough. I'll see what the deal is. If I can sell some puts tomorrow, and what the margin requirements are. I don't know. I think he's asking you if you're selling. Yeah, I'm going to try that out tomorrow. Dude, I wish we had an options chat somewhere. Josh, like just a spot that anyone that just options more like just a spot that you can post stuff. All right, I am if anybody's new in here, if anyone's new here, we go live every day, 10:30 in the morning till noon, and again 2 p.m. to 4:30. So come hang out. Smash the like button, subscribe. If you want to support the channel, that allows us to do the free account giveaways. Use coupon code COVETRADER. It works at all the prop firms. All right. If you guys don't know, we'll do another account giveaway tomorrow. And then Thursday, I will not be around, and I'll try to stream on Friday. I am heading out to Mexico on Thursday. Yo, I can't wait to request my freaking payout at 6:30. Josh, you never won yet? Josh, you had to have won. Nope. Dude, it's a lot of duck. Dude, they just came. In the news, they just freaking killed I think some crazy amount of ducks by me for the bird flu. Dude, Ivan Austin's got that Trump duck. Trump duck's never won yet. Trump, they never let the Trump duck win ever. I heard Peter says, yeah, Joseph, there's like over 3,000 people watching him. I mean, I don't think he's a great trader. I watched him for over a month try to get an Apex payout and couldn't get one. I think he's a nice guy. I think he's entertaining, but I think there's much better traders out there. Holy shit. Oh my God. Yo, it's 425. I never saw my duck either. I never see my duck. 425, baby. He's won a lot. I thought I'd at least see one of my ducks. They're all in there. There's fucking 98 ducks. Yo, one more minute. When my clock says 4:27, I hit this button again. Yo, at 4:27, I hit this fucking thing. Oh, jeez. What did you say, Marco? Rerun it? You said rerun it for everybody? Y'all, we'll run this again tomorrow because then I'm gone. I'm gone, and he said rerun it. If you're new here, now is the perfect time to ask any questions. It doesn't get a better time than right now to ask questions about anything: stocks, options, prop firms, indicators, back testing shit, whatever it may be. Now is the time to ask. Now is the best time to ask. Yo, another $100 and I'll get another funded. Yo, I'm new here. What do I back test? I back test all different indicators on TradingView. I have a bunch of videos already made on the channel about them. Yo, Flip, are you following Dumb Money Live by any chance? Just wondering. Do you follow Dumb Money Live? Flip is it? Oh, no. I thought you were talking about the other, a different stock. I thought you were talking about Crosshair or something like that? Crosshair? CRISPR? I know CRISPR. It's the genealogy company, right? I don't play any of the genealogy bio stuff, to be honest with you. It's too fucking risky for my liking. I want to back test NQ fill the 6 p.m. gap. Where would you test that? You pop this open and you just probably go to 5 minutes and you just fucking scroll. You know, here's the gap. It gaps up. It opens here. And you come back and fill the gap. I do it just fucking manually. I just scroll and do it manually. Bring some burritos. My dad lives down there. I don't think they got a lot of burritos. They do a lot of fish tacos. Fish tacos are everywhere. But I do it all manually. So I that's it. I just scroll and just go through it. Yeah, NVAX is definitely an interesting company. What was the other one? Moderna. Where am I located? I'm located in New York, Gene. Want to get them payouts. Josh, I'll see you tomorrow, brother. At the Cove, baby. Oh. So Moderna is supposed to be way undervalued. I'm not a fan of all the stuff they do. Just I'm with you, Chris, but I'm not invested in them. But I probably wouldn't be. But they are supposedly super undervalued where they are because they have the mRNA technology. Yo, later, Matt. Oh, I'm not up by Binghamton, but it's fucking cold up there. Winter had like 5 feet of snow. Everything shut down. Yeah, you get lake effect snow up there. That's why Buffalo gets so much snow. They get the lake effect snow. Yo, later, Ray. Oh, man. I am. Fucking text messages, man. Oh, have a good day, Kevin. I think the public is very skeptical. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I was skeptical beforehand, but yeah, now it really is. Yeah, Chris, that's what I tell everybody is like you want to buy stuff when nobody really likes it, but the company's revenue is increasing. So you want to see stock price going down and revenue increasing. And I could show you a couple great examples real quick if you're not leaving yet. Ones that I've said in the past that I've really liked were Toast. Actually, I'm going to bring up for you, I'm going to bring up Trend Spider. And I'm going to show you why I use this stuff. So Toast was really a good one. If you look at Toast, can I go back further than, let me go to weekly. So if you look at Toast, even back here, you see revenues increasing, right? Every fucking quarter, revenues are increasing. And what are you seeing? Stock prices going down as revenue is increasing, right? Revenue increasing, increase. Stock prices going nowhere. Then you get this dip. Revenue still fucking increasing. It's gonna turn around sooner or later, right? And sure enough, what happens? You break out of this base of like $22 range, between $15 and $22, and it goes up to 40. You know, yes, it takes fucking time. You know, this is May 22. What I bought in 22, no. But when I start seeing month over month increasing from previous years, you know, probably would have started buying somewhere around here, 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 you know, so you could have bought 2023, early 2024, you know, that was a good one. That was increasing a lot. Here, everybody wants to talk about this one. What do you see about PLTR? Fucking stock price is trending down, and every quarter their revenues are going up. By the time they're all the way down here, I mean, revenues just keep going up and up. You know, this could have been an easy buy. Easy fucking buy. I mean, year over year revenues are just increasing, and the stock price is either not going anywhere or declining. And that's where you dollar cost average in. PLTR was a good one. Are they not going to bring up fucking... Oh, it's still loading. See, it says loading. The fucking thing timed out. Ugh, why did it time out? Yo, what up, Empress? Here's one that's going on right now, actually. Watch this one. DraftKings is starting to has great revenue growth, and they're not really going anywhere right now. Later, Cash. Yeah, Joseph. Accumulation, where the stock price doesn't really go anywhere, and every quarter they're just growing revenues. Yeah. So that's what I look for. And that's where you get these big, massive moves where like the company goes up over 100% and everybody's like, oh, it's going up. But why is it going up over 100%? It's going up over 100% because it hasn't fucking moved anywhere in a year and a half, and they've done nothing but grow. So check this one out. I'm probably buying this one. This is Lemonade. Lemonade, every fucking quarter, we're going up, right? Shit's going nowhere. I'm gonna buy this one tomorrow, by the way. I like the chart. We popped. We've come all the way down. And then here, I'll bring this up for you. So you can see revenues have been growing. Still growing. Look, growth even picked up. You were at 16% year over year quarter. Now you're back at 19%. Had a huge jump in quarterly revenue. And what the stock did pop, but we're down from 52 back down to 33. And we're, yeah. So I had this, I looked at this today, actually, while I was trading futures with you guys. I had this up and I was like, man, I kind of want to buy this. I kind of want to buy it. I'm probably buying it no matter what tomorrow. Either I'm selling puts where I could just get in. I'm just seeing what the puts are. Dude, I'll be honest with you. Holy shit, there's juice on these puts. I could sell 33 puts, which is just at the money for 90 cents, and they expire this week. What's next week at? I might sell $32 puts for like $1.10, and then buy this or buy the stock and sell next week's calls for like 70 cents at 36. That's 10% out of the money. Yeah. I like it. I like it. So that's what I look for. Revenue growth, stock price going down. I think the macro economy is going to be good for this company as well. Not going to lie, I just picked up some shares after hours. I just picked up 200 shares after hours. I just feel like if this thing gets over 35, you're going to see like $5 up. All right, guys, I'm going to head off too. I'm all about talking this stuff all day with you guys. Ask questions. I'll be in the, you can ask in the Discord if you want. Feel free. I'll post a link here. If you want to ask in the Discord, it's right here. I get back to you. Plus, I can post screenshots. You can post screenshots in there. One of my best trading accomplishments this past year was seeing the base in PLTR. Yeah. Joseph, you probably made a ton of money. I had $33 options when it was like 28 bucks. I did not make all that I should have made. But, all right, guys. I will see you tomorrow at 10:30. Peace.